Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Leo, the moon is in your 9th house of expansion, growth, wisdom. This is also about travel and pagpapalawak pa ng kaalaman mo, no? You might be interested in learning something new. Pwedeng iba sa inyo babalik sa pag-aaral or meron kayong mag-enroll kayo sa mga short courses online just to add new knowledge about something that you are very much interested in. Okay? Kaya lang maaring merong conflict dito regarding sa current situation mo, sa day-to-day life mo, na maaring somehow nahihirapan ka na gawin yun because you also have yung mga responsibility sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Pwedeng meron tong conflict, no, sa schedule, or there's something that you need to try to get out of your comfort zone. It seems like you want to gusto mong experiment, no, of other options na pwede mong subukan. But there are times na parang napipigilan mo yung sarili mo dahil maaring gusto mo kasi sure na magiging successful. You don't want to waste your time and your energy for something na hindi naman pala magiging successful for you. So that's why parang yung half-hearted, no? Oo. But it seems na you really gusto mo talaga na lumabas sa yung comfort zone, to try new things, that you will feel na magbibigay ng stability sa yung sarili, sa yung career, especially sa yung career. But I feel like, the moment na maging knowledgeable ka na dun sa area na yon, sa aspeto na yon, you will gain more confidence in trying that field or exploring that area. Oo. So you also have the Justice card, which is making decisions. You are about to make a decision. And ngayon, parang you are checking the pros and the cons nung decision mo na yan based sa mga options available sa'yo. And anytime soon, you will be able to see what's best for you. You also have the King of Wands, very creative energy, someone who is going to go for what they really want. And then you also have the Eight of Wands. So speaking of going for what they really want, Eight of Wands is an energy of moving forward. This is taking action. Maari lang na marami kang kailangang gawin to make it happen. Kumbaga parang mabusisi siya. Kaya isa rin yun sa pumipigil sa'yo na ipurso yun. Kasi parang you feel na baka hindi mo kayanin yung pressure or yung demands na hinihingi nun, yung requirements na hinihingi nun to make things work for you. You also have the Six of Cups. So for some of you, ito ay related sa mga bagay na gusto nyong balikan, na hindi nyo ipinurso before. For some reasons, pwedeng wala ka masyadong time or nung time na yon inconvenient na ipagpatuloy yon. But with the Eight of Coins, I feel like you're going to master something anytime soon. You will be working hard towards this, to achieve this goal. Maraming 8, no? May dalawang number na 8 rito. So, 8 is about structure and stability sa finances din. 8 is also the number of money and continuity. So, I think meron kang ipagpapatuloy na naudlot mo na plano before, na ngayon siguro nahahanapan mo na ng solusyon or mahahanapan mo na ng oras para mas doon ka makapag-focus. I also see some messages coming in para sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo naghahanap ng mga signs, no, na siguro you are praying or asking the universe for the signs na ibigay sa inyo if itong gusto nyong i-pursue na to ay makakatulong sa inyo. And there are also some people that you might be working with, no? Mga tao na nakatrabaho mo na in the past. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng babalik kayo sa dati yung work na kung saan you felt na meron dong fulfillment. And at the same time, meron din siyang potential for new opportunities wherein pwede kang mag-grow, pwede mong ma-share yung knowledge and yung skills mo. But what I'm seeing here is the truth is finally coming out. Mas naliliwanagan or maliliwanagan ka na anytime soon kung ano yung path yung iti-take mo. Okay? Especially to your career. So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.